Hey everyone, welcome to another vlog. Good morning. It's a very cold morning. It's been snowing for a couple of days. I'm just gonna head up and make us some breakfast. So come along.
And all we're singing about the love and all the things we had. We're up, we're down, but we're never giving up. The girl is on the way, ain't find me. I will do the same for you, trust me. Now you love me is a power. Stay here 24 hours, baby. Think about me. And I give you everything you wanted. I'm still in love. With all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love. With all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love. And always thinking about the love and all the things we had. We're up, we're down, but we're never giving up. The girl is on the way, ain't find me. I will do the same for you, trust me. They love me is a power. Stay here 24 hours, baby. Think about me. And I give you everything you wanted. I'm still in love. With all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love. With all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm And I was thinking about the love and all the things we had. We're up, we're down, but we're never giving up. The girl is on the way, ain't find me. I will do the same for you, trust me. Now you love me is a power. Stay here 24 hours, baby. Think about me. And I give you everything you wanted. I'm still in love.
I'm just going to go ahead and do my face care routine. And then lastly, I'll be using this on my face. And this is the vitamin C serum. Having this silver necklace on me. So I think I need to add some colors to my nails before starting with the unboxing. So I'm just going to go ahead and oh, oh, oh. Oh yeah, girl. Oh yeah, Joe. Oh yeah, Okay, babes, I'm done doing my nails. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and make some lunch and maybe do some unboxing if the video is not too long. I don't want to make too long video, but see y'all later. Okay, babes. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing, and I think I'll be rounding up the vlog after that. So this is the first box I will be opening. Let me go grab the scissors. I think this is the dryer set. Yeah, blow dryer. This is the blow dryer set. I think this is a protective cardboard something. Oh my god, such a lot. Okay, apparently this is how it is packed. Okay, because this. Like that. I think that's something else. I don't know what this is used for exactly, but I'm gonna be figuring that out along the line. And this is what the blow dryer itself look like. It kind of feel heavy, so I think it's a very good quality. And there's one more. And this is the last thing it has in it. So I'm going to be figuring all that out along the line. So I'm just going to throw it back in the pack and then take that out of the way. So this is the second pack I will be opening, and this is like I think this is like hot comb, like a coily hot comb. So let's open and see. Let's open it up and see what it has. I'll show this so you can have a view of what it looks like. So it has this comb. this is the connector itself. They're kind of good stuff. I'm really so happy I got this as a gift because they're so expensive, and maybe I was not ready to get them myself. So it was really a hot relief that I got them as a gift. This is the hot comb or hot brush. I know. And there's something else in this. I don't know what it is, so let's just grab it out. Okay. Oh my god, it has a spare, because this is like one and this is like a spare. Maybe that got broken and I can as well use the spare. And there are two different sizes. This is like a big size. And then the other one is a lot smaller. So this is what we have in the second pack. I'll put this back in the box and get it out of the way so we can open the last box. This is the last box, and this is a flat iron. Flat iron and a tonga, I think, but we will find out. Yeah, finally. Wow, the packing is so sweet. Look at that. Oh my god. This look well packed. Let me take that out. Oh wow. This looks very good and well protected. So put that back in, and it has something else here, and that's like a carrier bag for it, or a protective bag to have it in, which I think is very nice. Way.